Normally, any programming language, the code execution starts from the first line to the last line of the file. In TypeScript also it is same. But in some cases, we may want to execute only some code based on the condition. Means, let's look at the example. See here the marks is a variable which is of type number with a value 36. I want to print if the marks are greater than 35, a pass, or else it is fail. So if you observe the marks condition here, if the condition is marks within the parenthesis, if it is true, if this line is true, then it comes inside the fourth line. If it is not true, then it will come and check the next else if, and marks less than 35. If this condition is true, then it comes and print the fail. So now because the marks are 36, if this marks variable is replaced with 36 and it will compare 36 is greater than 35, yes, it is true. Then if this is become true, this line of code will execute. And because it is true, it won't execute the remaining code of this if condition, and it will exit from the program with this, or else it will write if any other lines are available from the 7th, that will execute it. Similarly, let's see if this marks, you can do this conditional check for many more conditions, right? If marks are less than 35, it is fail. If marks are between 35 and 40, how do you know it's between? It will check 35 marks greater than or equal to 35, then marks are 36 is greater than or equal to 35, yes, it is true. And see, if you observe two ampersand symbols, that is and marks less than 50, it is checking yes, 36 is less than 50, that means both conditions are true. Then it will come into the 11th line and it will print console.log third class, it will print in the screen third class, right? If else if because the first if is true, it won't execute other else ifs and directly exit the if condition. If this is not true, let us suppose let us execute this program and see what will happen, right? So first condition is pass, because 35 is 36 greater than 35, it's pass. Because I have not executed this new line of code, I have uncommented it, it is not executed, right? Yeah, so it is pass. And then because it is 36, it's called the third class. I have not see, if you see the dot here, this means it is not saved. So if I save it, Ctrl S, it will get saved. Now I have to compile it again. TSC is TypeScript compiler. If you observe TSC, it is called TypeScript compiler, and the file name should be extended with .ts. So what happens in TypeScript when it compiles? It becomes Java. It converts to JavaScript. So I have to execute this program with node space and JavaScript. So now you observe the third class is printed and also pass. This pass is from the first if condition. This third class is from 8th line to 19th line if condition. So if I change this number to 40, let's put 78, equal to 78. Now if I save this file, again if you click the up arrow, it will come the previous commands in the terminal, and it is compiled but not executed. Execution is with node. So it executed. So it's pass from the first if condition, and distinction is the from the second if condition, because 78. See here, 78 less than 35, no, right? So it become false. So like it will replace like this, if false. So if it is false means it won't come inside. Then it will come to marks 78 greater than or equal to 35. Yes, it is greater than 35. And is it less than 50? No, because 78 is greater than 50. So this condition is even one condition is false, true and false, it become false only. It's like a multiplying, right? True means 1, false means 0. 1 into 0, it becomes 0 false. So it won't go inside. Then it will come to the next else if marks greater than 50, yes, it is greater than equal to, it is greater than 50, 78, but it is not less than 55. So this also get false. Then it will check marks greater than or equal to 55, yes, but not less than 60, because 78 is greater than 60. So it won't come here also. Then it will check the other condition. Then finally, if marks greater than 75, yes, 78 is greater than 75. Even in 16th line, marks greater than 60, yes, but less than 75, no, 78 is greater than 75. So it will, this become true, marks greater than or equal to 75, that means 78 is greater than or equal to 75, yes, 78 is greater than 75, it is true, then it becomes printed this condition. So this is how we control which condition of the code, based on the condition execution of the lines of code we execute. It's not only one line, you can keep any number of lines. We will see that in the next topic. Thank you.